Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are again. Today I have already shared two tweets. One is RPL and the second one is TRB, and I have pinned both coins in my live stream as well, so you trade it easily. And right now we will talk about different coin, and it is none other than me coin, which is trending almost for days now. As you can see, I have pinned me as well, so you can easily trade without leaving the live stream. If you want to check out some other related coins, I have also added those, so feel free to take a look. Now let's dive into the analysis. Yesterday, me made a high of 1.18, then retraced back to 0.98. After that, we saw me trending again, but in 4-hour time frame, we can see back-to-back long wick candles. Each one is smaller than the previous one. The first candle reached 1.179, the second reached 1.166, and the third might reach around 1.15. But we will have to wait and see. This is a good opportunity to short me as our target is not too high, potentially between 0.95 to zero point 0.9. We don't know if it will fall all the way back to zero point 0.8, but 0.78 was a crucial support level, so it might come back to retest that zone. Maybe he will see a bounce from zero point 0.8 to 0.85 as well. In the 1-hour time frame, we can still see me reaching the resistance level 3 times, which is also indicating a potential correction. So, this is a good opportunity to take a short position. I am all in, and my first target, which is zero point 0.9. Let's see how the price reacts at that zone. Now, to calculate our trade, we need to consider a few things. I will click on this icon to take a short position, and here you can see me drawing our target zone. Our risk to reward ratio is also looking good. So even if we take this trade, it will be profitable given that we take it at the right level, maybe around 1.10 to 1.105 based on your risk management strategy. Our stop loss will be huge, but the potential profit is almost double than the stop loss. This trade is worth taking, especially considering the risk to reward ratio. I will share all my thoughts with you, so don't ignore this analysis. Remember, me is the point you are focusing right now. As we see, me is forming a nice resistance level around 1.16. And if we can get a confirmation of a breakout below this level, it could be a great opportunity to short it. But let's not jump the gun just yet. We need to wait for confirmation before making any moves. Now I know some of you might thinking it is a wrong decision. Well, my friends, it's all about reading the charts and take trades as price move accordingly. Price never moves straight in one direction. Right now, the charts are telling us that me might be due for a correction, and that is why we are taking on this short term trade. Of course, please keep in mind that trading carries risk, so you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, Set a stop loss. Set a stop loss reasonable. But if you are looking for a potential short-term trading opportunity, this might worth considering. If you have any questions regarding this trade, feel free to ask me in the chat. I will do my best to answer your questions and provide more insights on the market. And don't forget, I have pinned me points so you can easily trade without searching in or leaving the live stream. So trade smartly